Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fascination. If you're wondering what I'm doing with this, I'm actually going to make a cake out of it. So I'm going to put in canned pumpkin. It'll be almost like a pumpkin cake. This already has vanilla in it, so that's something I don't have to worry about. Oftentimes I do use this pancake mix as a cake mix because you can do that. So I'm gonna get the other ingredients together. So this actually calls for 2 eggs, but since we're doubling the recipe, that's 4. A fourth of a cup of butter. Add that twice, it's a whole stick. I get unsalted on purpose. But why does that say salted? That should be unsalted. Anyway, I'm not a salty person, but this is what I got. Calls for a half a cup of milk. I'm using a can of evaporated milk, which is a cup. Okay, hold on. Over here, the butter is melting. Let's come back over here. I have a little bit of pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice is always nice. Oh, that smells so good. And then I'm gonna put in some cinnamon, just for a little extra. Honestly, that's not open all the way. So, fold it in. Fold it in nicely. So I'm gonna finish folding that in and get the rest of it together. Now, when you go to get the pumpkin out of the can, open this like you would a can of tomato paste. All right, you get most of it, you could just scrape that out. Oh, and over here, I've whipped the eggs. I've cracked this can and the butter is melted. Now, I've got the pumpkin and I've got the eggs folded in. Now, that butter's in there. Let's see if there's anything extra. Yeah, get every little bit of that because we all know today's time, butter's too expensive to waste. I already shook the can. It says please shake can. So I'm going to incorporate this a bit at a time. I don't have my stand out here right now, so bear with me. Now that that's mixed together, I know it looks lumpy. I have my glass baking dish. You know how it goes. You've had them for so long and they're perfectly clean. And they have this on the outside. So anyway, yes, remember that brand. Now I'm just going to use some olive oil cooking spray on the pan. Remember I said, bear with me. One moment, please. I gotta do this better, hold on. Okay, well this pan has the batter in it, but there's more batter. So I'm gonna have to take out another small pan and make a double batch. So yeah, that'll be good. Maybe I'll just put the frosting on while it's warm so it's like a glaze on both of them. But anyway, I'm gonna put this one in the oven on 350. Now this is a test cake. Okay, so we're testing to see how long it will take, which will probably take no more than 20 minutes. Also, remember to put your baked good or whatever you're cooking center mass in the oven or it's not going to cook even. Okay, so I decided I have this loaf pan. That will do. Like Steve can have it for breakfast if he wants. Any of us can. These aren't done yet, but y'all, it smells so good in here. Okay, my friends, these are done. I tested it. Look. Knife, clean. Knife, clean. This is done. Now, like I said, I don't know if I want to put the frosting on there while it's warm. I could do that. So I have this. This is what I will be using just because I have it. Yes, so I think this will be really good on it. So, yeah. Ooh, this is going to be exciting. Okay, the reason I put it on there warm is so it can settle like a glaze. This is your easier way to have a glaze on your pastry. You know, I know how to make it. I know how to make a lot of things, but now I'm just gonna put the rest of it on here. Okay, so I added a little extra pumpkin spice on the top. This one will probably save for like other time during the week and weekend because it's almost the weekend. And everybody's working for the weekend. Yeah, I was a kid when that song came out. So yeah, time to taste test. Yeah. Okay, so Rob's about finished his.
I'm not.
So what do you think of it, Rob?
I think it's really good. It's not overly sweet. It's delicious.
Oh my God, that is good.
Yeah, it is.
That's our new pumpkin bread, pumpkin cake recipe. Mmm. The flavors are coming through, but they're not coming through overpowering. So this is a new recipe. Here you go, people, a new recipe.